Is it okay? You see this?
Yes, yes, we can see this.
Okay. Just a moment. When we talk about my presentation, and my title is Artificial Intelligence like an Engine of the Future Development. If we talk about domains of artificial intelligence, we first think about human capability. It means we need computer vision to seeing. We need sound processing to hearing. We need sound synthesis to talking or singing. We need natural language processing to understanding language. We need robotics to movement. We need automated reasoning to reasoning. And we need machine learning to learning. This is the basically domains. And I have one, how to say, scientific search. What everything will now is inside the artificial intelligence. And what they do, it is identify emotion in photographs, emotion recognition, automobile driving, finding new way to using current medication, detect cancer cells in the studied material with greater accuracy than a human specialist, expect social upheaval 5 days before he arrives, check your identification, Van Gogh style painting, compose, make a new culinary recipe, report and analyze sports for newspapers. It means you have a checking of your identification in China when you have possibility to your identification is your face. Also, in the pandemic time, the China have possibility with 5G networks to check temperature in the people which is in the car, and for four people, or to identify some person who is the criminal effect, who has a criminal effects. Just a moment to put my, I don't put my on the video. So just a moment. Okay. And to sorry, I didn't not to open my Dorin. Will you please open my video if you have possibility? Because I don't see my after I put this presentation, I don't see my maybe it's here. Okay, it's here outside. Okay, it means that all these things are done, but where we how they start? First of all, the concept of 4.0 everything. First, the industry 4.0, which is organized in Germany, has become a completely normal topics and development in Germany, while the majority of the rest of the world operates in industry 1.0 to 3.0 environment. It makes use of the capability of new technologies, such as availability of 5G networks, internet, and Internet of Things. Integration of all technical and business system in companies, digital mapping and virtualization of the real world. This digital mapping and virtualization of the real world, we will talking about it in round table, because this is in the future maybe building a virtual world. Possibility that somebody with wearing things come to virtual world and go to Reshica or to Algeria or to some sea like virtual, and go to the real environment, but in virtual, made it in the virtual world. Smart factory, where we have smart machine and smart products. We see first the industry. The industry starts for mechanization, steam power, continue with mass production, assembly line, electrical energy. You know that when the first car in the States started, the idea was that every worker in the factory have a car, and it was the first car in United States. Industry 3.0 is automation, computers, and electronic. And what is the Industry 4.0? that we're talking. This is artificial intelligence system, cyber physical system, Internet of Things, and networks. Same situation is not only in industry. The same situation is in health and education. Industry 4.0 in today's factory, rigidly working sequenced car manufacture. And if you want to change the work on another car, you must change the line, full line. In Industry 4.0, you have island. And you have possibility to build the same car with some changes. If I want to have my sign on the car, then it will be put somewhere here, and my car will going to workstation A and workstation A and workstation 8. Some other car will going from X to F, etc. It means that you have possibility to make different type of car working like sequenced car, but in island. Health 4.0 from 2016 to 2018, the World Economic Forum Global Futures Panel on Healthcare discussed how to evaluation of global healthcare will affect as a whole. The world is one global village, right? Like before Professor Addis told, and the virus can be transferred from one end to the world to the other in a matter of half hours, in 1 hour or 2 hours via the plane flight. If we establish a system of simultaneous health monitoring and management, it will be possible to routinely monitor and manage health by moving and using virtualization and cyber physical system based on Industry 4.0 principles that connect the physical and virtual worlds in real time. Basically, we are talking now about real time. Please, how to have a real time in my country if I haven't good internet? How to have the business to all country that somebody from car finish his job if we haven't the good internet? This is not possible. It means that we must build digital highway, and on the digital highway to build all these things which is smart and artificial intelligence. What is mean artificial intelligence? If I have a digital highway to work in real time. And now we see and health 1.0 was X-ray, ultrasound, film, and health recording. In 2.0 is computer tomography, magnet resonance imaging, electronic health recording, caring for patient, and computer for doctor. In 3.0 is continuity of care document, picture archiving and communication system, 3D imaging, telemedicine, health, public medicine, and electronic case report form, and robotic genome sequence. In 4.0, we have medical big data, expert system, machine learning, Internet of Things, smartphone, personalized medicine, ASCRF, and big data proton therapy, 3D printing, 3D education, and computer brain, like something that is in working phases. But I think that this brain is too complicated, because on one piece of brain you have 1 billion of sensor, and nobody don't build anything such like human brain, because they need a lot of sensors to be same like human. The healthcare industry will be completely transformed by Health 4.0. With Internet of Things, healthcare will be delivered in real time as constant monitoring of the basic parameters of human health. People will use healthcare, and they will not have to wait 3 months to be examined. It will transport us to entirely new virtual reality of health care intervened with real life. This will result in people living longer lives, which have already been shortened by stressful lifestyle, various epidemics, pandemics, and everything else that shortens human life. Education 4.0 must to be in time with the industry and with health. From the authoritarian, the student passive recipe, like in education 1.0 and teacher centralized system, technology is forbidden in the classroom. We continue in education 2.0 with communication and collaboration, which is started to grow. Exam-based approach, result is examined. Understanding student-centered approach, we call it, but do not apply it. The school are still talking about hours of teaching, but also about hours of learning. In 3.0 is student-centered approach. The teacher is transformed into coordinator. The student is researching. Flipped classroom method applies. More dialogue. Technology is everywhere. The students is self-learning and everywhere. The classical style classroom no longer exists. In 4.0, we have co-creation and innovation in the center. Flipped classroom applied, hybrid learning environment, interactive practical exercise online. Learning is done at home or outside school, while in school students develop skills. Development of personalized teaching and learning. This is in this picture, so the education 4.0. What we need, digital highway. After explaining all of this technology, we must also explain how this technology are linked with the high-speed internet and sensor networks, such as 5G networks and Internet of Things, to achieve a smart environment in which these both technologies can work in tandem. Why are we discussing about 5G network when we are discussing in the future of this technology? Because we need a digital infrastructure to implement all this 4G. There are modern conspiracy theories. So many people, including fellow professors, are opposite to 5G networks. But you see on this picture that 5G networks in sensor networks. This means you have a lot of networks, and when you lose one network, you have another network. And if you have IP, which is transformed from one to other network, then you have a lot of networks inside, and you never ever lose your internet, and your internet is 1.5 gigabits. It means that you have possibility to work online everywhere in the world. And please look this picture. This is Germany, Czech, Austria, Switzerland. This is new picture. Yesterday I took this. And where is the 5G networks here? In Romania, this is a continue from Bucharest, and here is somewhere about Cluj, maybe Timișoara, etc. But here is not. Romania was one of the between 10 countries when was internet 4G and 3G. It was the third between 10 countries. Now is all the Western Balkan is almost without 5G network. And please, what to do somebody who buy the car and the car needs 24 hours of internet and buy and go to Bosnia and Herzegovina? What will be done? Nothing. The car didn't work. They need the internet. Maybe work something, maybe didn't work at all. It depends how the software is organized. It means that in the future, if somebody from Germany, Poland, etc., from Netherlands want to build here in my country some company, he will try to have a full internet, because some of the engineer will be in Netherlands and the best engineer will be in Netherlands, but other engineer in this company will be from Bosnia and Herzegovina. And this engineer will working on the production, on the best production things. Other engineer will working about some smaller things, and on this way he will care about his product. And now we see a smart city. What does it mean that something is smart? It means that you have a lot of sensors and actuators. You might have, if you want to be a smart for water, to have clean water, you must put a lot of sensors inside the water to have clean. If you have a smart mobility, you must to have sensors for some for this to sensorize when many car will be here, and to put green or something to this car going from these places, and after that you have clean areas. From other side, you have car to, if you have 5G, you have car-to-car communication, and traffic is very good, and you don't have accident. Also, you have a health possibility that a lot of things will be done inside the building, not that somebody who is ill come to the doctor. Also the smart parking, which is very good, that I know when I come to some town, to Romania, to Bucharest, or to Hungary, that where is the free parking? This is very easy. You put a lot of sensor, and if somebody some car occupy the sensor and all the car occupy the parking, that is parking is full. But some internet things must be send me when I'm in travel that this parking is free. It means that I must have internet in my car 24 hours, not from time to time, if I want to be a smart. Also the traffic priority or smart grids, transfer energy, everything must be connected with 5G, Internet of Things, and smart everything. Autonomous car. What does that mean, autonomous car, if you haven't 5G networks? This car didn't use. Challenges for the future will be first of ethic and prejudice, because a lot of people will lose a job. This people is not engineer, but we must care about this, and what the people must. Also security, what to do with super intelligent machine control strategy, and teaching this machine, what to teaching, and who is this guy who teaching this machine? Is it some crazy scientist and teaching him something bad? I don't know. And how to help, I told you in last how to help, and what is happening with this world in the future if we don't know what is the what to improve in to finish this. Let's see again. Okay. This paper contributes to the importance of all this 4.0 technology, envision a future production system. Also will encompass a wide range of new technology, including cyber physical system, RFID technology, cloud computing, big data analysis, advanced robotics, and smart factories. Industry 4.0 transforming many industries, including automotive, aviation, and transportation. The key characteristic features of Industry 4.0, health 4.0, and education 4.0 are collaboration and integration of chains, both horizontal and vertical. The digital transformation improves, and the rising interconnectivity is bringing new challenges to society. It means that will significantly change the quality of product, life of knowledge of students, depend about manufacturing system, hospitals, on faculty process, operation and services. Digitalization and interconnection have the potential to improve all three dimensions of sustainability.